Here is how to share entire Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can share your entire Google Drive. So let's start. First of all, open any browser of your choice. Then after, go to the search bar and enter the official website of Google Drive. After that, make sure you are logged into your particular account. After you are logged into your account, you'll come to the home page like this. Then after, go to My Drive on the left hand side. Now select all the files and folders that you have in your Google Drive. For that, simply press Ctrl+A. After all the files and folders have been selected, right click on them. As you do that, you will get this share option. Click on it and then choose the option that you want to use while sharing your Google Drive. You can either share it to an individual person or a group of people by entering their email addresses, or you can simply copy the link and share it to anyone. So in this way, you can share your entire Google Drive. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.